Reading, Miss Luisa Maria. My name is Cindy Hernandez. I am currently studying psychology at UNAD. On the other hand, now that you know my little better, I'm going to talk about my hometown. I have always lived in Bogota City, the capital of Colombia. Seeing that as the capital is such a big city, it offers many different activities that can be done depending on the preference of each person. In addition, there are many touristic places to visit. The such as Montserrat, the National Museum, the Macarena neighborhood, and a large park called Simon Bolivar. People usually visit this last place to spend time with their families and do other activities such as boarding in the lake or even practicing some sport. Alternatively, the city offers another entertaining place for those who are a bit more extreme. There is an amusement park called Salitre Mágico are the ferries, well, the roller coaster and the haunted castle and the night displays lights up. Depending on the month you visit, in there will the different events that take place inside the park. When Bogota is a city that brings together all kinds of cultures in Colombia, an example of it is gastronomy. Here it is possible to find my favorite dish, which is also characteristic of the city, the ajiaco. I have never tasted a soup as delicious as this one. It is made with a different types of potatoes, corn, chicken, and special spices called huascas. Finally, Bogota is a city where you really find yourself bored and with nothing to do. Despite the cold weather, the city offers different activities and festivals that you can take part in. Um, on August 6th, Bogota Beer Day is celebrated, and on the first days of the month, the summer festival is held. In Bogota, they also make salsa al parque y a rock al parque. Bogota is a city full of the cultures represented in music, graffiti, and art. Living in Bogota all my life has meant having my mind open to diverse culture signs. My city welcomes people from various cities in Colombia and other countries, and to its weather is a bit cold, and consider its people to be warm, kind, and helpful. Thank you.